Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Texting the friends. Oh my god. Do you know what I do the reading right now? What do you do the race? What happens? I'm on the Twitter right now, and so many girls do the get a play ons, man. What the hell's happened to the games? I don't know. I feel so sorry for these motherfuckers, man. Oh my goodness. Do we have to do this one again? We have to do the teach these mother bitch the stars again. Okay, here we do the goals again. Hi, my name is the Auntie Yours. And I am the Auntie Sia. What the hell is wrong with these motherfucker bitches, man? You guys have the no games. We have to all the stuff we do the teaching you and go to the toilets. It's all the waste. Have you not even do the watching the videos on how to get a drink at the clubs? You do not know how to be the prayers. And today's me and Auntie Silly gonna do the teach you guys how to be the prayers. So the rule number 1. Always have the backup plan. You know how to do that one? Let me do the teach you. If the boyfriend is going on a guy's night out and he gonna go to the clubs or go to the baseball game or maybe go to the bar and watch the baseball game, you better have a plan, a backup plan, okay? That's how the players do it. You always have the backup. That's when you know that you're never gonna get a pray because you always have the backup plan. That's right. That's right. The rule number 2. You always have to speak in the codes. It's like this one. Let me do the teach you. That's right. Pretend I the boyfriend, okay? I the girlfriends, okay? So I say to my girlfriends, I wanna go to the clubs, but you do not say that one because the boyfriend is gonna do the nose. So you say something stupid. Something like, I wanna go eat a pineapple with my girls. And the boyfriend said, oh, that's the cool one. Go ahead. Do that one. That's right. See? If you do that one, then you get your player game on, mother bitch. You get all the guys on your side. That's right. There's the cool one. And the rule number 3, that's the most important one, okay? Very important. If you don't get this one, you're never gonna be the players. You have to get this one to know how to graduate from the player schools. That's right. Okay? Because me and Auntie, we got a master degree already. Actually, I got my PhD for this one. I already graduated, you know? She is the dude that done the working. She is working as the players right now. That's right, man. She got the so good job. I have the 5 medal for that one, man, and the 3 goals. I almost to that stage, but not yet. That's right. So you guys will always have to remember this one, that you always deny. Never do the tell the truth to the boyfriend. Maybe he might do the tell you that, oh, he knows something about you, and then make you do the tell him the truth. But you know what? He don't know shit. Don't do the tell him. That's right. Don't give in. Because how do you not know that mother bitch is not do the lies to you too? The players never get the plays, man. We play the games. We don't get the plays. Shit. No shit like that one, okay? If you guys do the go and tell your story to him, although he don't even know the story, and then he do the act like, oh my god, I know this story, and you not do the tell me, and you feel so the guilty one, and then you do the tell him, that means that you the so stupid when you do the cop by yourself. That's right. You know what? He might even do the steal your ideas. Cheat on you. You're gonna be the dry mother bitch. Yep. After he do the leave you and toss you to the side because he learned all your master and the PhD program player degrees. That's right. If you do the tell him, you're gonna be at a home like me right now. Do the Twitter. No, wait. I said that wrong. But it's a cool one. Because you know what? You had a 3 rule that could make you the prayer in 3 days or maybe 3 minutes. If you remember these rules, you're gonna be the master prayers. That's right. So next time you think about being the players, but you're not too the sure, just come back to this videos. Do the click again, watch it, do the like button, subscribe, and we will do the teaching you guys the more styles how to be the hardcore players. That's right. Let's do the touch the screen up there or the button up there for the subscribe. And then you will bring the subscribe to us, and we will make some more video to teach you how to be a good person, the prayers, you know, person who knows how to do it, get a drink at the cup. That's right. until the next time, you mother bitches need to learn the moves, how to be the hardcore ones like us. Yes, you see us right here, be the cool one there. Everybody wanna be like us, that's right. So you be the big country, everybody knows us. We so the cool ones. So if you wanna be the pairs, if you wanna be the pair for the part 2, like this video and we will do the more videos for you.
Một số ya về cho bơ chê ya mu tiệt tê mà cho có mu chê mu hậu cụ ta mà hoa cho là cha